morning. Another video. It's 5 something a.m. I haven't slept well. I needed to charge. I'm charging. I haven't done anything, so everything is still a mess. I will done with charging. I will go there. I will clean, organize, tidy up, and then we will start the day and the video. So thank you for joining. Alright, good morning, welcome to another video. I'm in a parking lot. This is not where I slept. I'm here because mosquitoes were everywhere and they are still here. Anyway, I drove from the supercharger from my charging session to here, and I need to organize the car and I need to start with my day. So today we're supposed to see a very beautiful location. So I need to finish here fighting with mosquitoes and arranging the car, and yeah, should be a beautiful day today. All right, so right now it is 8:33. It's 8:33, and I finally finished with some work, some editing, and I actually found something that I was looking for like maybe 3 weeks now. So I will show you what it is later on, maybe in different videos. But anyway, I'm on my way to this place. Let me give you a glimpse of this place. There we go. But I'm not sure what I'm going to find. But I can tell you that it's a very, very special place. It's one of the 52 UNESCO sites in France. So we are going there now. And I hope I will like it, and I hope you will like it. Hey Grok, can you please tell the audience, where are we going?
We're heading to the Roman Theater of Arles, about 33 kilometers away, arriving in 41 minutes.
Okay, what's so special about this place?
It's a 1st century Roman theater built under Emperor Augustus, seating up to 8,000 for plays and shows, and it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site, still used for festivals today. The 2 surviving columns, called the Widows, are iconic remnants.
Cool, thank you. Okay, so I just entered the city. It's beautiful so far. And now I just need to tour a little bit more, see what we can find. So let's see what we can find. Okay, so that was the arena. Now I'm looking for the entrance for the amphitheater. I have the ticket. Let's see if I can find it. Okay, definitely beautiful place. I can't wait to see what else I should do. But I should ask Grok about it. Hey Grok. Okay, tell me, what else should I see? while I'm in this beautiful place. Okay, so I'm done with the Roman arena. I'm done with the amphitheater. And now I want to see if I should see something else. I know there's something else here in this region. Let's see with Grok. Hey, Grok! So I'm done with the Roman ruins in this city. What else should I do in this region?
Nearby, head to the Camargue Nature Park for wild horses, bulls, and flamingos, or drive to Saint Mary's de la Mer, about 40 kilometers away.
Let's talk about this park.
The Camargue Regional Nature Park is 18 kilometers south of here, perfect for birdwatching flamingos, spotting wild white horses and bulls, or hiking trails through marshes. You can do a 4x4 safari tour, horseback riding, or visit the Pontegou Ornithological Park for easy walks.
Take me to this park.
Starting navigation to Camargue Regional Nature Park, about 6 kilometers away, 9 minutes. Safe travels.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy the park.
Okay, so we have a destination, thanks to Grok. Let's go and see what it's all about. So regarding this location, some information. I don't really know much. I asked Grok, so let me show you what Grok said.
Yeah, those are the famous wild white Camargue horses, native to this area in the Rhone Delta around Saint Mary's de la Mer. They're a symbol of the region, roaming the marshes with guardians, the local cowboys.
And yeah, so I'm going to explore beautiful nature, horses, flamingos, and I'm not sure what I'm going to see, but I'm excited to go and explore. Alright, it's like they were closed or something, so I haven't found much, so I'm just gonna keep going, see what's next. Hey Grok, so I'm done. I need a new destination. I want to see more Roman ruins. Is there anything else?
The Roman aqueduct of Barbagal near Fontvieille is unique, with ancient water mills 22 kilometers away, or Pont du Gard, a massive aqueduct bridge 41 kilometers north. Pick one to navigate.
What else? I want to see amphitheater.
Next up is the Amphitheater of Nîmes, one of the best preserved Roman arenas, 31 kilometers away. Parking Indigo Nîmes Arens looks good, right near the amphitheater and open all day. Route set there now.
Okay, so as you saw by now, a lot of white horses in this area. This is what this area is famous for. And I stopped to look at these ones for like 15 minutes, and there is one, you can see it on the screen right now, there's one that was like kicking and flipping over and splashing water. Just beautiful. So yeah, they are everywhere. Let's see if we can find more. Okay, so it's noon right now. I am not very sure about what is next. I know I need to eat. I know I need to work. I need to edit more videos. So yeah, as always, just, you joining me, and I know there's something beautiful there. We are going to see that probably around 3 p.m. So 3 hours from now. I hate cities. I hate cities. I hate cities. I hate cities. I absolutely hate cities. I really don't like cities, especially big cities. I'm stuck in this city called Nîmes. I was trying to do some stuff, to see some other locations, but I'm done. Normally by this time I'm looking for like a place to stay for the night. It's almost 6, but I've decided to go, and I just need to leave this city. So we are moving out of this city. I hate cities. Now we're talking. Finally, I got out of this stupid city and I'm in nature again. I love nature, let me tell you. So look how beautiful this place is. Unbelievable. But if you think this is beautiful, watch this. Look at that. Look how ancient this thing is. The aqueduct from the Roman Empire. Alright guys, so as you saw, amazing. I have no words to explain. I've been to Rome. I've been to many places all over the world, but with you guys in this channel, you know what I've been if you have been following me since day one. But this is just amazing. Look at the height. Look how tiny these people are. Like, they're like this. It's like looking at Starship. And they built that like 2,000 years ago. More. Who knows? That's crazy. You know what? Let's do this. Let's hear Grok. Grok, what can you tell me about this place?
The Pont du Gard is an ancient Roman aqueduct bridge from the 1st century AD, the tallest of its kind at 49 meters high, with 3 tiers of arches. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site, just a few kilometers from here in Rémoulins, built to carry water over 50 kilometers to Nîmes, and still standing strong today. It was built by the Romans in the 1st century AD, likely around 40 to 60 AD, under Emperors Claudius or Nero, with nearly 1,000 workers over about 5 years. Older accounts credit Marcus Vipsanius Agrippa, Augustus's son-in-law, but recent evidence points to later construction.
Okay, so I'm afraid of heights. I will try to go up there, but I can't promise. Right, I'm here, but I'm terrified, so I'm stopping here and I'm going backwards. I can't cross the bridge. All right, it was absolutely amazing. 7 p.m. I'm exhausted. I woke up today at 4 and I still need to edit and find a place to stay and to drive for like 1 more hour. So let's go. Okay, so this is our next destination. 40 minutes away, Avignon, France, and okay. All right, I'm tired. It's 8:39, let me show you. 8:39, I'm at 36%. I am in a supercharger location, but I'm not going to charge today. It's going to be an early session tomorrow. I just wanted to show you that that's what I'm doing. So I'm actually editing day 13. So that's for you in the future. And I'm just about to finish this one, and then I need to see if I'm sleeping here and this and that. I mean, this part you will see in the video, of course. So I just wanted to show you that, and let's continue. All right, you know what it means. It's time to inflate. It's nighttime, but of course, before I do that, I need to make sure that the chairs are in the forward position. So once again, time lapse, and I will see you in a second.